Hi, I'm Dr. Gulchak, former special education teacher, university faculty, and author of the PBIS Tier 1 Manual, Tier 2 Manual, and Tier 3 Manual. Today, we're going to be talking about progress monitoring Tier 3 interventions. We call it the ProMo flow. If you want to know more about how to monitor Tier 2 interventions, go ahead and click on the link below and see our Tier 2 video, or you can also click back here on this free ProMo flow spreadsheet that's on our resources page. The link is also below to give you instructions about how to progress monitor daily, weekly, and monthly. In a Tier 3 capacity, this tab has all of the information you need to help you go from daily, weekly, to monthly progress monitoring. And it's really simple. We're going to scroll down along the bottom to the DPR. Now, if your student is needing Tier 3 support, chances are they're already receiving Tier 2. Don't stop. Don't take that away. This ProMo flow spreadsheet can be used to monitor all of your students and all of your interventions. We know that for those kiddos that need Tier 3 support, they are already receiving Tier 1 plus one or more layers of Tier 2 interventions and an additional layer or layers of Tier 3. So right on top of check-in, check-out, or social skills, or whatever other intervention you're using, you can add your individualized interventions here. Go ahead and identify the goal, identify the points possible, and you're all set. On a weekly basis, this graph will calculate the average percent earned for that week. It'll also graph that data. So on a weekly basis, that coordinator for that intervention wants to bring this data to the team to help analyze and to make decisions. Identify, is the data moving in the direction that you want? Identify the level, trend, and the variability. All that information is in the assessment chapter of our Tier 3 PBIS manual. And that information is also on our co-education website. So after you analyze that weekly data and make minor adjustments in your fidelity, or in the intervention, the antecedents or the consequences, go ahead and continue monitoring. But then on a monthly basis, we must make a decision. So using the graphic data, go ahead and use the database decision-making tool that's in our Tier 3 PBIS manual. It's in the behavior tracking tools section. It's also on our website. It's a free handout. And you'll have a really detailed evidence-based guide for making those database decisions. And that's how you collect progress monitoring data for Tier 3 students. I'm Dr. Gulchak. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.